Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to create secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on security and privacy. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on more security settings. Now on this page, just tap on secure folder. From here, just tap on continue. Now from here, just tap on continue. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds to a minute for your smartphone to create the secure folder. Now from here, just set a lock for your secure folder. You have the option for a PIN, a password, or a pattern, or you can use your fingerprint. I will select the pattern. Now from here, just draw your pattern. Now once you have drawn your pattern, just tap on continue. Now just draw your pattern one more time to confirm your pattern. Now once you have confirmed your pattern, just tap on confirm. Now from here, just tap on allow. Now from here, just tap on next. Now as you can see, we have successfully set up the secure folder on our smartphone. Now to find the secure folder on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open the app drawer. Now from here, you can find the secure folder, just like that. And this is how you can create secure folder on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.